Okay, guys, let's see what this deal is like. Next, you in the orange shirt, come on up. Step right up, sir. Look at these beauties. They might look small, but they pack a massive punch of flavor.
Wow, that actually sounds incredible.
It is. Good things come in small packages.
Ooh, I can confirm.
Babe, get out of here. I'll take your entire stock. Sold.